Hey there, future Bitcoin investors. Thinking about diving into the world of cryptocurrency but not sure where to start? No worries. Today, I'm breaking down the steps to buy Bitcoin in India. First up, you need to choose a reliable crypto exchange. Some popular options include WazirX, CoinDCX, and Binance. These platforms are user-friendly and trusted by many. Next, let's talk registration. Sign up on your chosen exchange and complete the KYC process. This means you'll need to submit ID proof and address verification documents. It might seem tedious, but it's essential for security. All right, now you've got your account set up. Time to deposit some INR. You can add funds to your exchange wallet via UPI, bank transfer, or net banking. Choose whatever method works best for you. With funds in your wallet, it's time for the exciting part. Buying Bitcoin. Head over to the Bitcoin section on the exchange. Input the amount you wish to purchase and hit that buy button, and just like that, you're a Bitcoin owner. But wait, there's one more important step. Secure your Bitcoin. For long-term storage, transfer it to a secure wallet. You can also keep it on the exchange, but a secure wallet is generally safer. There you have it. Buying Bitcoin in India made easy. It's not as complicated as it seems, right? Happy investing, and remember to stay informed and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips. Catch you in the next one.